I just found out the location they are planning to take it up to. Those guys are preparing this location, and this is at a number of uh, layers above one, because the layer here has the container, and this one above it does not have a container. The one below it has a container. So this level here where they are now work emptying, preparing this area, is the area that this container is going to go up. So they are going up maybe one, two, three, four, five, six. So now it's going up here. You can see it. It is going up. It's going up, up, up. And there, so they are simply transferring it from one location to another location. And during this time, this piece was rotating crazy. So it is going to be a little critical as it actually rotates. So